Hi, my name is Assistant Professor Joseph Zand. I would like to welcome you to the Law Faculty of İNÖNÜ University. I teach legal English and international law. My speciality is international law and in particular international human rights law. I have lived in Malatya and in Turkey for 3 years. My experience of living in Malatya has been a very positive one. In actual fact, our law faculty is a very young law faculty, but at the same time it is developing, a very developing law faculty, and is getting bigger and bigger. And I think in the future it would be a very tangible law faculty in Turkey. As far as the city of Malatya is concerned, the city of Malatya has 600,000 population, and it's a mix of different groupings. And what I like about Malatya is that everybody respects everybody else. And at the same time, I think if you were to come to Malatya as a student and live in Malatya, you would have a very positive experience of living here. At the same time, our law faculty is a very active law faculty, not only in terms of teaching, but in terms of research and publications. In actual fact, in the last 3 years, our law faculty has published a number of very good articles in Turkish and international journals.